Welcome back, Cool Cat crew. So glad you're here. Today, from all of us here at Dr. Cool Cat's team, we're going to break down one of the trickiest questions on the entire GED exam.
You know the one I'm talking about, right? That drag-and-drop question on the Reading Language Arts test that just makes you second-guess everything? Well, after today, you're going to see it as nothing but easy points.
Okay, let's dive right in. The official name for this little puzzle is the claim and proof question. Basically, your job is to connect a statement, that's the claim, with the one sentence that best proves it's true.
So what exactly is a claim? Well, think of it as an argument someone is trying to make. It's a statement that says, hey, this is true, but it can't just stand on its own. It needs some serious backup.
And that backup? Well, that's the proof. This is the evidence, the facts, the data, all the specific details that support the claim and convince you it's not just some random opinion. It's the how we know it's true part of the deal.
To beat this question every single time, we've got a simple but super powerful strategy we call the skeptic test method. And trust me, this is about to become your new best friend on test day.
It's just a simple 4-step process. First, you read the claim carefully. Second, and this is the most important part, you become a skeptic. You got to put on your detective hat. Third, you test every single piece of evidence against that skeptical mindset. And finally, you find the one perfect match that passes the test.
So, this is the crucial question right here. As you look at each piece of evidence, you have to ask yourself, if I didn't believe this claim at all, which one of these sentences would actually change my mind? That is the absolute core of this method.
All right, enough talk. Theory is cool, but practice is where it's at. Let's jump into a real example from the GED and see how this method absolutely nails it. So here's what it looks like on the test. You've got 2 claims on the left and 3 possible pieces of evidence on the right. Your job is to drag the best proof to each claim. But watch out, one of those evidence tiles is a distractor. It's just there to throw you off.
Let's focus on that first claim. Step 1, read it. After-school arts programs improve school engagement. Okay. Now step 2, become the skeptic. You got to look at that and say, oh, really? Prove it to me. How do you know they improve engagement?
All right, with our skeptic hat on, let's test the evidence. Which one of these tiles offers up some cold, hard proof? Which one would make a skeptic finally nod and say, okay, you've got a point? Let's compare our options. Evidence B says, many students enjoy music. A skeptic would just say, so what? Enjoying music doesn't prove they're more engaged in school. It's a vague opinion. But evidence A? That gives us specific data. Art club members had 20% higher attendance. Now that's measurable. That's proof.
Numbers, percentages, specific facts. That's what convinces a skeptic. This 20% right here directly connects the art program to attendance, which is a key measure of school engagement. It's not a feeling, it's pure data.
So, the match is crystal clear. Claim 1 connects to evidence A. Now, let's quickly apply the test to Claim 2. Students need more access to public transit. A skeptic would ask, why do they need it? Well, evidence C provides the proof. Half of students live more than a mile from school. Buses stop running at 5 p.m. Those are specific, factual reasons. See? It all just clicks right into place.
Okay, now it's your turn. You've seen the method, you've seen it in action. Now it's your mission to put on that skeptic hat and solve a puzzle all by yourself.
Here is your challenge. We've got 2 new claims and 3 new pieces of evidence. Go ahead, take a moment, read the claims, and then test each piece of proof. Which ones would convince a true skeptic?
So, what did you get? Pause here if you need to, and then drop your answer in the comments below. I want to see your matches, like 1C, 2A, and more importantly, tell us why. Explain your reasoning using the skeptic test method.
I know you totally crushed it. The goal here isn't just to get the right answer. It's to build the confidence that comes from having a reliable strategy. You don't have to guess anymore. You have a method. You've absolutely got this.
If this was helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps us out.
And make sure you subscribe for more sessions designed to help you ace the GED. And hey, here's a final thought. Being a skeptic isn't just for the test. Where else in your life could it help you separate fact from opinion? We'll see you in the next one.